Okay, so let's start with a demo of Brige pages. And so Brige pages is like a combination between lead pages and ClickFunnels, and it builds amazing opt-in pages, but it makes them completely dynamic. So when you first get your Brige pages account, the very first thing you're gonna wanna do is save your site URL. Now this is the subdomain .brigepages.net. So that's where all your site's gonna live. So you just press Save Changes. Now, the next thing you're gonna wanna do is go over to your pages. And as you build lead capture pages, and we'll eventually add in a bunch of statistics and all kinds of cool stuff here, but as you build them in, you'll be able to build them in just like this. Let's start from scratch and create a new page. And so this is a default. There's a few different templates in here. This is the default one right off the bat. And you'll see you have a name that you can give this. So let's just call this, say, My Test Page, okay? Just like that. So Brige page is my test page. And now what I've got is I have the ability to be able to add a tagline, put any tagline I want, add a headline, add a opt-in text right there, and button text, as well as edit the link of where it's gonna go, and then also footer text, whatever I want down here in the footer. So this is all editable right here for me to be able to work with, okay? So right off the bat, we're gonna be improving this. You're gonna see so many changes here, but right off the bat, I just wanna kind of give you an example. Let me just grab a background real quick. Let's grab this one right here, okay? So this is an example of just changing a background image. I could just go ahead and put this in there just like that and insert it. So you can see you can add any background that you want from all over the web. You can either grab images or whatever, or you can add your own. Let's say put any tagline you want up here. So just as simple as it is. Like let's just say this page is about real estate. You know, let's say real estate wholesale investing secrets. Okay, something like that. There's your tagline. Now let's say your headline and say something like, you know, get a free report that uncovers 21 real estate investing secrets, okay? Or let's just even call it real estate wholesaling. So we stick on top. Real estate wholesaling secrets. Don't worry about the background, we could always change that. And then enter your best name and email. You know, they could be anything you want. Enter your name and email address, okay? And then down here, download now, it could be something like access the free report. Okay, so just like that, and then copyright, maybe I'll make copyright 2015, you know, wholesale investing domination LLC or something, whatever your name of your company is. And of course, we're gonna add a whole bunch of options down there. We're gonna make this a lot pretty cool, but I just wanna show you on a very basic thing. Now let's call this real estate wholesaling. And of course, this could be for any topic that you want, okay? So don't get caught up, don't get too caught up in the basic details. This could be for any topic that you want. So now, we're gonna go ahead and publish this. So we can go and we manage our pages. If we wanna keep building more, we can go visit the page. So let's go visit the page right now. And let's take a look at this, okay? So what it's doing is it's building a dynamic page for me right now. And here it is. So it just built basically a dynamic page. What I've done is I've created the foundational page, as you can see here. And now everything that I wanna do to it, I can actually go and I can make the whole entire thing dynamic. And so I wanna talk to you about that really quick. I wanna show you kind of what that looks like. Okay, so if we go back to this real estate wholesaling page, you'll notice that next to each item, there's a little keyword here, okay? So see that opt-in button, and now we're gonna be building a wizard for you to be able to build these links, but I'm gonna show you, I'm just gonna build them on the fly really quick to show you. So look at all these different things you could do. You can change the background, the tagline, headline, opt-in, you name it. So there's, watch how this works. Okay, real estate investing headline. So question mark, headline equals test one. So what you're able to do is you're able to basically add variables. So see, there's the headline right there, test one. So this can be anything that you want. And let's say, and tagline equals test two. Okay, so again, your keywords you're getting are right here, tagline, headline. So look, opt-in, button, footer, you name it. So let's kind of do all these. See, test one, test two. In fact, let's swap those around just so it looks a little bit better, if you will, during this demo. But let's go. Okay, so dun dun dun. Tagline, so right here at the end of your link, question mark, tagline equals test two, and headline equals test one, and you can just go right down the list, okay? And opt-in and button, right? So let's go, and opt-in equals test three, and button equals test four, and let's go down there and let's keep looking. What's the last one there? Footer, okay? And footer equals test five. Okay, so just like that. Now I'm doing the links manually, But take a look at what we have here. We've got, tagline. Oh, let me swap those real quick. Tagline equals test 1 and test 2. So look what we have here. In a matter of just seconds, we've built a dynamic page. We have test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, and test 5. Now, I just clicked on that. I shouldn't have. Basically, we haven't added anything there yet of where that form's gonna go. You would obviously go in and, on the other page and add your opt-in information. But I just wanna show you how easy these are to build. Now, here's the last thing I wanna add. And background equals. Now, watch how cool this is. Let's go to grab some backgrounds. Just grab any kind of background images that you want and throw it in like that. Just throw in the URL. And background equals URL. And look at how simple that was. Look at how clean that is. Let's go grab this Golden Gate Bridge, and background equals, let's say Golden Gate Bridge there instead. And all you're doing is you're on the fly, you're able to build out pages, as many as you want. Okay, let's grab this high resolution page right here. What was that, Bora Bora maybe? And look at how cool this is. You're able to basically build these pages on the fly. So test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4, test 5. So now you've got this link, right? And now you can go and you can use this any way that you want. So test 1, watch how fun this is. And I can just type it right in the URL bar. Test 1 equals something like check out my real estate investing PDF ebook for free, okay? And just like that, I just type it in and just press enter. Check out my real estate investing PDF ebook for free. Okay, I just replaced test 1 with that. Or maybe I want to replace test 2 with download my free PDF ebook with my 21 real estate investing secrets, okay? And just like that, I mean, literally I can sit here and I can build pages on the fly. Now, why is this important? Okay, why is this important? Why is this super helpful? It's super helpful because you can build one page template and you can basically build unlimited versions, literally unlimited versions, okay? Let me kind of give you an example of what I might be able to do. So instead of like that top headline, check out my real estate investing PDF ebook for free, I might say something like, hey Carl, check out this special offer that I am currently running. And you could basically start to tailor pages to people. Hey Carl, check out this special offer that I'm currently running. Or maybe you wanted to target people that are in certain companies. Okay, attention distributors in XYZ company, or attention whatever it might be. You have the ability now to be able to create the same stunning lead capture pages that you can build with lots of other resources, but you have the ability to make them dynamic. And keep in mind, this is all a free giveaway. This is all 100% free when you buy Smart Member right now. So when you get Smart Member, you automatically get these bridge pages that you're able to build and you're able to use. And what I love about them is I love the fact that you can basically use them to go and create ads. So when you go and create ads, let me just go onto Facebook right here as an example. And let's just pretend that I was, let me just grab like a random link out of all these different posts that I have and stuff like that. Let's just say this speed blogging one. And let's continue right there. I want to just skip right down to a little section in case you're not aware of it. But when you're running Facebook ads, okay, like this one here, do you have a need for speed? Here's a Facebook ad I'm running. Now look at this, show advanced options. There's this thing called URL tags, okay? Where you're able to basically put variables, blank equals blank and blank equals blank, what I'm showing you right now. These are called URL tags. They're very, very easy to use. And so whatever your domain is, you just put it right there. That would be, for instance, chrisrecord.bridgepages.net, okay, or whatever that page is, okay? Whatever page you end up building, you're able to literally put that there, okay? So I just want to kind of show you this. Yeah, well, let's go visit the page. All of those different variables that I showed you, see, here's my page right there, okay? chrisrecord.bridgepages.net/real estate wholesaling. That's the link that I would put here in the Facebook ad. Now, any variables I want to add to it, I can add right here. So I can literally add, something along the lines of background equals, and basically take that image right there and put it right there. And just like that, now when I'm running this ad, if somebody clicks this regular link, it's gonna change the background image on the fly. Now, why is that important? Why would that be beneficial to you? Well, let me ask you a question. If you were targeting women with your marketing, wouldn't it make a lot more sense that women would like certain colors or certain types of backgrounds? Or what if there were people that were interested? So let me just kind of give you an example. Let's say women playing golf, okay, as an example. And there's some images, right? So if you were targeting, let's say, women and you grabbed a background of a woman playing golf in the background, literally something as simple as that, where you target the word women, and then you could target like interests such as golf or anything like that. You could start to narrow it down. Well, if you were a woman and you liked golf, would you be more likely to convert on the offer you're selling if you saw another woman golfer in the background, right? Or maybe let's talk about ages, right? So let's say like senior citizens having fun or something like that, right? So here's senior citizens having fun. Now, why would that be beneficial? Well, what if I came in here and I made the age demographic, let's say like 55 and above, okay, 55 to 65 plus, okay, all. So if I went in there and made this demographic and then start typing in some interests, if the background had something like this on it, some senior citizens having fun or any kind of imagery that you could find, the thing is would they be more willing to opt into your page? So I want you to think about that. I want you to think about a page like this. This page has a real estate background. Well, what if it had a background of senior citizens having fun and jumping, and the ad was exactly the same? This free report was exactly the same, but maybe it featured senior citizens, or maybe it featured somebody golfing, or maybe it featured whatever else it was. And on Facebook, you can target people who have an interest in real estate investing who are also 55 years and older. And this is where the power of Brige pages comes in. And so I'm telling you, when you start to realize how powerful this can be, when you start to uncover this, you are going to enter a whole new world of massive conversions on everything that you do, okay? And this is just a quick demo to show you the power of this. So I want to make this very clear. You're going to get access to this software, okay? You're going to get access to it with no monthly fees. All you do is when you buy Smart Member, this is a bonus that we're throwing in right now. As soon as this promotion's over, this is going to have a monthly fee. It's going to have a monthly service. Okay, this is going to be a hosted solution where you're going to be able to come in and this is going to grow right in front of your eyes. Like at the time I'm doing this demo, we haven't even uploaded our stats and all of our other stuff yet. This is going to grow in front of your eyes. So listen, this is something you do not want to miss out on. You are going to want the ability to be able to create unlimited Brige pages that are hosted, that you have the ability to be able to track statistics and track all kinds of things on, to be able to run advertising. We're also going to train you on some training. There will be some training in here to be able to show you how to use this and some tutorial videos. So listen, that's all I really need to show right now. I think by now you see the power and you know you want it. So listen, what's stopping you? There should be nothing stopping you. You should absolutely take advantage of the fact that when you buy Smart Member right now, that you absolutely do not have any monthly fees with Brige pages. All you do is you buy Smart Member and you pay for Smart Member and you absolutely get Brige pages with it with no monthly fees on Brige pages. That's the offer that I'm making for you right now. I hope you decide to take us up on it. And if not, don't worry. You can always get Brige pages later. We will be here long-term supporting our customers for years to come. So I hope that you enjoyed this demo. And I look forward to getting with you and training with you more on how to be able to reach your target market and make sure that you convert as high as possible with the power of Brige pages.